How to use a coupon on Temu. First of all, let's navigate and open the Temu app on your phone and log into your account if you have not already. Once you are in, from the bottom menu, let's go to your profile page, and here you can find coupons and offers option on the top right side. Tap on that. Here you need to enter your coupon code. To find a coupon, let's go back to your mobile homepage and open any web browser that you use for searching. Search for the latest Temu discount coupons and open a trusted website. Next, find the valid coupon and copy the code. In the Temu app, paste the copied code here and tap on apply. Once the coupon is applied, tap on use to explore the items and add the products you want to purchase to your cart. Once you have selected your items, tap on the card icon to review your order. On the checkout page, you will see the discount reflected in the total price. So finally, select your payment method and tap place order to complete your purchase. And that's it. You have successfully used a coupon on Temu to get a discount on your order. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.